This is one of the 40 boxes that was built by the North Texas Woodworkers Association for our Beads of Courage build. And you can see that we have built a number of very nice boxes. And here's a few of them that we have displayed today at this table. So let me show you a few of them closer up.
President of the North Texas Woodworkers Association in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Welcome to our annual Beads of Courage box build. I'm going to show you some of the boxes our members have built, what they're made out of, and the design. We'll start off with this wonderful walnut book. Has great big courage written across here. It has a little tray in here to pull out to hold your beads. Josh McGuire built this one. This is a fabulous job. It even looks like you have pages that you could turn in here. Just a masterpiece. This is an excellent piece of woodworking. Then we move on to what I think is one of the most unique and fun-spirited builds, is the beehive. Andrea Maia built this one. It has little bees all over the hive, as well as a place for a child to hold their beads. Excellent work, Andrea. Everybody loves a heart. Gary Turman turned these with bandsaw boxes. These little heart covers with little heart pullouts. And you can see this is an excellent piece of bandsaw work. This is made out of spalted mulberry. And at the top, I believe, is probably going to be something along the lines of a bloodwood. Here's a nice box. Has bird's eye maple on top, walnut, with a little walnut pull to open up. It has a little soft bottom in it to hold the beads. I believe Jim Ryan made this one. Lovely little box. There's a couple little boxes with these heart-shaped pulls. Has these little pull-out trays that fit in nicely. Wonderful little piece of handiwork here. Same box pattern, different combination of materials. So I want to show you this one here coming in. Susan Walters built this wonderful little house. It has a pull-off lid. It has little drawers, little divider boxes that fit inside. Very creative. Matter of fact, I believe Susan won an award for this particular box. Lovely piece of work, Susan. Gary Vaughn won Best Finish with his Beads of Courage logo on the top of this box lid. Wonderful piece of divider work in here with different color felt. Has some sort of spalting maple in here. Just a wonderful finish on here. Glass and shines. Good work, Gary. We have a couple other boxes here that have uniqueness. This is made from skateboards. A creative way to get your materials. And has enough storage in here for additional beads. This is a wonderful piece of design work from leftover flooring. I believe Steve Rogers made this one. Wonderful piece with a combination lift top for both those edges. Beads of Courage. This is a box with chalkboard paint on it. It comes with your pieces of chalk as well as an eraser, so you can erase it. TJ made this box. She made a wonderful box for children. It'll come with the chalk and with the eraser. Nice work, TJ. This box here is made out of Ipe with mulberry stripes in here for splines for holding it together. It has mulberry on the bottom and it has a nice little birch ends on the thing. So a nice dark finish on that one. Here's a lovely little box that has a little Christian theme on it with this cross displayed on the top. Makes for a nice little box. Here's a nice box with a little fancy handle. Steve Yacht made this one. Has wonderful little grain on the walnut top. It's got a walnut burl sides with lovely little legs. So I hope you enjoyed our box build from the North Texas Woodworkers Association. If you want to know more about our group, you can find us at ntwa.org on the web. Check out our website or come to one of our meetings. We meet monthly in the city of Plano at the Haggard Party Barn. More information on our website. With that, if you enjoyed our video and all these boxes, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Want to see more of our builds? Consider subscribing down below. And as usual, come back and see me real soon. Each one of these boxes is given to the Children's Medical Hospital here in Dallas for them to give to patients in the Beads of Courage program. I'll leave a link for you below so you can find out more about the Beads of Courage program and all the benefits it gives to its patients in its hospital.